Hey chance, dear students of class 3rd, good morning to all. I hope all are very good and you must be preparing well for your half yearly examination. So in this video, many uh, uh, revision work related to your English grammar. So all the students firstly must watch your video, okay, full video, and after that understand properly what is work here, and all students note down in your notes and learn properly for the purpose of half yearly examination. Okay student, be ready. Okay, now let's start your revision 8 and 9. So dear student, look at here on the page number 12. This is your revision number 8. All students note down in your notes. This is your revision number 8, exercise 3, filling the blanks with the correct question word in the sentences given below. Okay, there are some example as question words. Okay, you have to find real and true work like that in the sentences. Okay, like that you have to find where we used right and correct or correct question words with their sentences. So it is very important to all students. You have to learn properly. This is your revision 8. Have to mention in your notes, also note down in your notes. Okay, and this is article chapter you have to do in your notes. Okay, you have to note down in your notes. Filling the blanks, use of a, an or the. 1 to 8 all students complete in your notes and learn properly all articles. 1 to 8 understand properly how to use article a, an or the. Okay, it is also important. It is also your revision number 8. Mention revision number 8 and note down in your notes. Now come to the revision number 9. This is also revision number 9, masculine and feminine gender list. There are many masculine and feminine gender related to animals and people. Okay, so all students note down is like that, all the masculine and gender family gender list. Okay, it is also complete in your notes. And this is your definition revision 9. All students note down definition of noun and definition of pronoun in your notes with examples. How do you write the definition of noun? Firstly, mention noun and write a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, things or idea. Okay, and there are examples. Look at here, there are many examples like that: girl, cow, park, happiness. Okay, you have to mention yourself also some examples. And look at here, there are a pronoun and noun definition, both are very important, so you have to note down both definition in your notes and learn properly. Look at here the definition of pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in a place of a noun. There are examples: I, you, she, we, they, it. Okay, so most of the students learn both definition in English grammar and note down in your notes. Okay students, so there are some exercise related to your English grammar. So mostly students note down in your notes as a revision 8 and 9. Okay, look at here, this is revision 8. Mention revision 8. Okay, this is also revision 8. Okay, this is revision 9. Revision 9, mention it, then note down. And this is also your revision 9. Okay, definition of noun and pronoun. Okay, hope you will be also preparing your half yearly examination. Okay, purpose to all revision work. So you must be preparing well all revision work. Okay students, enjoy your work and take care.